welcome back to the channel. We have got 6 challenges lined up for you. Can you crack these challenges? Feel free to pause the video and give them a try on your own. Are you ready? So the first problem is
9 divided by 9 divided by 9 divided by 9.
Try to solve it yourself and comment below for me your answer in the comments.
Let's see step by step how to solve it. To solve this expression, you need to follow the order of operation, which is typically done from left to right. Since the expression only contains the division sign, all of which have the same priority. So first we perform division from left to right. So focus on the first 2 terms. 9 divided by 9 can be written as 1. Now the expression becomes 1 divided by 9 divided by 9. Now 1 divided by 9 can be written as 1 over 9. Now the expression becomes 1 over 9 divided by 9, which can be written as 1 over 9 times 1 over 9. On multiplying the terms we get 1 over 81 as our final answer.
So here is the second problem. The problem is 3 plus 14 times 3 divided by 2. See step by step how to solve it. But first, try to solve it yourself and comment below which of the following options is correct. Here we can use PEMDAS rule to solve this expression because it tells us the sequence in which the mathematical expression should be evaluated to ensure accurate results. Since the expression only contains a plus sign, a multiplication sign, and a division sign, according to PEMDAS rule, multiplication and division has a higher priority than addition. And further, since there is a multiplication and division signs, both the signs have the same priority. So what do I see first? Form moving left to right. Well, in this case, I see multiplication first. So this is what I have to do first. So 14 times 3 will be our first move, which is equals to 42. Now we have the following expression. Now our next move will be division. 42 divided by 2, which equals 21. Now the expression becomes 3 plus 21, which is equals to 24. Look at the options. The first one 8 is incorrect. The second one is minus 24, which is also incorrect, because our answer is a positive number. The third one is 4 factorial. Look when a number has this little exclamation mark in front of it. We call this number a factorial. How much is a factorial? You take a number and multiply its predecessors until 1 arrives, alright? So 4 factorial is equals to 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. On multiplying the numbers, this will give 24. So option C will our final answer. So here is the third problem.
The problem is 5 multiplied by 2 divided by 2 multiplied by 5. What does this equal? Opinions on its value vary. Some assert it equals 1, while others assert it equals 25. Let's see step by step how to solve it. But first try to solve it yourself and comment below. Which of the following option is correct? We've seen a lot of people do it in the following way. Look at 5 times 2 is 10, right? It's going to be 10. This 2 times 5 also gives 10, right? It's going to be 10 divided by 10, which is equals to 1. So the answer in this case will be 1 wrong. This is the wrong way for us to solve it. Let's find the correct answer. So here we can use PEMDAS rule to solve this expression, as it helps to determine the sequence in which mathematical expressions should be evaluated to ensure accurate results. So in this expression, we have 2 signs, multiplication signs and division signs. So according to PEMDAS rule, both signs have the same priority. So expression will be solved from left to right. Focus on first 2 terms. 5 times 2 can be written as 10. Now the expression becomes 10 divided by 2 multiplied by 5. 10 divided by 2 is 5, so the expression becomes 5 times 5, which is equals to 25. This is our final answer. Hope you understand it well.
The next problem, see step by step how to solve it. But first, try to solve it yourself and comment below for me your answer in the comments. So here we can use PEMDAS rule to solve this expression, as it helps to determine the sequence in which mathematical expressions should be evaluated to ensure accurate results. Look at the expression. Here we have a plus sign, division sign, multiplication signs, and a parentheses. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is parentheses. So we're going to simplify everything in the parentheses first. So we're focused here and we look inside the parentheses. Is there any multiplication and division? Yes. What do I see first? Form left to right. Well, in this case, I see division first. So this is what I have to do first. So 20 divided by 2 will be our first move, which is equals to 10. So again, we are still working inside the parentheses. So now we have 5 plus 10 times 5, since multiplication have a higher priority. So 10 times 5 will be our first move, which is equals to 50. Again, we're still working inside the parentheses. So we have 5 plus 50, which is equals to 55. Now finally, we're done with everything to do with inside the parentheses. So now we can start thinking about the numbers outside of the parentheses. So 3 next to this parentheses. Here this is actually multiplication, and that's all we have to do. 3 times 55. The next challenge is
7 minus 7 times 7 plus 7 plus 1 factorial.
Try to solve it yourself and comment below for me your answer in the comments.
Let's see step by step how to solve it. We've seen a lot of people do it the following way. Look at 7 minus 7 is 0, right? It's going to be 0 times 7 plus 1 factorial, right? Then we'll see, in mathematics, 0 times 7 gives 0, right? And it becomes 7 plus 1 factorial. And many people don't even notice this factorial sign and write the expression as 7 plus 1, which is equals to 8. So the answer in this case will be 8 wrong. This is the wrong way for us to solve it. Okay, to get the correct answer, let's first understand the PEMDAS rule, as it helps to determine the sequence in which mathematical expression should be evaluated to ensure accurate results. So in this expression, we have a minus sign, plus signs, and multiplication sign. Of course, the multiplication has a higher priority. So we perform multiplication first. So 7 times 7 will be our first move, which is equal to 49. Now the expression becomes 7 minus 49 plus 7 plus 1 factorial. Now we are left with minus and plus signs. Since both have the same priority, so first we perform the operation that appears first when moving from left to right. So 7 minus 49 gives minus 42. Now we have minus 42 plus 7 plus 1 factorial. Now minus 42 plus 7 will give minus 35. Now the expression becomes minus 35 plus 1 factorial. What is factorial in mathematics? Look when a number has this little exclamation mark in front of it. We call this number a factorial. How much is a factorial? You take a number and multiply its predecessors until 1 arrives, all right? 1 factorial, it is worth 1. So we can write the expression as minus 35 plus 1, which is equal to minus 34. This is our final answer. Understand it well. Thanks for watching.